Hi everyone, it's Tammy at Creative Girl Vintage. I am putting the finishing touches on a new project for you. So this is a preview and save the date video. I know there are a lot of you that enjoy my paper crafting projects, and I'm really excited to share this one. This paper crafting bundle is called Vintage Doll Fairy Ornaments for the Seasons. There is plenty here to keep you busy. There are images to craft 8 fairy ornaments, plus I tucked a bonus project in the back. Let me show you what you can make. You've got spring, summer, fall, and winter all in one bundle. This is Sweet Thoughts for Spring, a token of my affection, Sweet Summer Sunshine, Bold Stripes and Bright Stars, Happy Autumn Days, I have a spell for that, Warm Winter Wishes, and last but not least, Peace on Earth. I am going to release the paper crafting bundle in my Etsy shop and the tutorial here on YouTube on Thursday, July 16th, 2026 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. When I release a new video, it shows up in your YouTube feed if you are a subscriber. So tap that button and be part of our crafting community because you don't want to miss this one. I think you are going to love it. So I will see you in a few days.